Do you see that? Like, do you see that? If I'm not with you, when I feel right now, girl, my body is calling. Hey, go to you. I might post. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on that thumbnail and watching this video. Hopefully by the end of this video, I've convinced you to hit that subscribe button on this side, this side, this side. I don't know where it is. I haven't learned that yet. But yeah, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you're going to enjoy this channel. So there's no need to wait. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Today, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be making fried Oreo cookies. Is it fried Oreo cookies? Yeah, fried Oreo cookies. I've never had them before. I did see another YouTuber make them. However, in the comments, they said that these are normally served at fairs. I've never had them at a fair. She made hers with pancake batter. I'm not doing that. I'm using cake batter. I saw in the comments that somebody said you should try using cake batter. So whoever that person was that commented on her video, thank you so much for suggesting that, because I'm gonna try that today and I'm gonna show you guys the process. All right, so these are all the ingredients I'm gonna be using. We have eggs, Oreo, water, powdered sugar, and the cake mix. Of course, for the cake mix, basically we're gonna start with adding I'm not gonna use the whole box. I'll probably use half because I don't want to make that many. You know, this is just a snack and I'm supposed to be eating healthy and stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna do half of the cake mix and do a few cookies. So to get started, we're gonna go ahead and take the vegetable oil and put it on so that it will be heating up while we mix up our batter. Hopefully that's enough. That might be enough. Let me see. Okay, so for starters, I want to let you know that I'm sort of just winging this because I don't know the perfect measurements for half of the cake mix, but I know that the girl used pancake batter, so I'ma just mix everything up until it looks like pancake batter. That's not even half, but I don't need that much. All right, for now, we're just gonna start with one egg. Again, just freestyling it. All right, and then we're just gonna add a little bit of oil for now. I don't think we need much. The original cake mix. Oh, I'm making a mess. The original. Oh my God. So this is how much I have. The original cake mix requires oil, so I just wanted to go ahead and use. Ooh, it's thick. So I'm gonna add some water to it. Just a little bit as we go. Just loosening up. Oh my God, it smells so good. I'm just gonna go ahead and get the Oreos. Stick them in here. Okay, so hopefully this is enough for them to be covered. Covering the Oreos now. Making sure they're fully covered. Oh God. They look like cakes. I think I'm trying to flip them too early. Oh my goodness. Gonna take the powdered sugar and just sprinkle it on them. All right, guys, my daughter said she cannot wait no longer. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. What you think?
The Oreo got some.
Oh, that's so good. Do you see that? Like, do you see that? Oh, it's so good. All I want to do right now is cuddle on the sofa and watch Netflix. It's that type of snack. It's so good. For me, each day. Always love you. Girl, I will always.